Struggling to get Owl3D working with Virtual Desktop on your Mac? Get stuck on the setup? Don't worry, here are 5 simple steps to get you started in seconds. Step 1. Add a virtual monitor. After your VR headset is successfully connected to your Mac, we need to manually add a monitor inside Virtual Desktop settings. This creates a dedicated display space for Owl3D. Step 2. Swap screens. This is crucial. Please swap the order of your 2 screens. This ensures you can still access the main menu and switch modes without being blocked after launching Owl3D. Step 3. Launch Owl3D. Open the software. You'll see the screen turn into a split screen view. This means the 3D signal is ready to go. Step 4. Switch to half SBS. In the Virtual Desktop menu, change the 3D mode to half SBS. The image instantly becomes stereoscopic 3D. It's that simple. You are now ready to enjoy the immersive world of Owl3D.